Hi, I'm Father Bobber. Welcome to Jackass. Just kidding. Hi, I'm Father Bobber. If you're new to my channel, thanks for coming. I ride around Kentucky and act like an idiot. And Ohio and Indiana. If you're not new to my channel, I love you. You're freaking beautiful. You're cool as heck. River. Anyway, go ahead, feel free to subscribe and, drop a like, a comment, tell me that I'm an idiot, because I am. That's okay. I love you back. Let's get on with the video. Roll the intro. Alright, fellas, welcome back to my favorite place, the side or the middle of the road. Waiting for my riding buddy to get turned around here. So today is kind of a gross day. I mean, it's not freezing, but it's very foggy, and it's almost 1 in the afternoon, and this fog's just hanging around. But we are, once again, right on the river. So that's, a contributing factor. So this, in front of me, don't hit your brakes. I just told you about that, going down the hills when it's wet. Just give her a downshift, very good. This is the mother of my children. We are not together, and I am married, but we are all very good friends. My wife and her are very close. She's a beginner, still learning, trying to teach her the ins and outs. Here we're at this is the lowlands. The river's right over there. This looks like it was just flooded. But it's a pretty scenic little area in the woods. My bike's definitely going to need a bath after this, but I'm enjoying it. I've never been through here before. I just figured I would explore something new. Today's going to be another river ride. I think this is like I don't know, what is that? We'll see it in a minute. It's like a little nursery. But what is this? I would like to know what this is. It's maybe like a wedding venue or like a winery. It looks like stables. I don't know. It's pretty cool. Maybe it's just somebody's house. So that area we were just at, it's kind of like I want to do that at like nighttime. It's like the setting of a horror movie, which seems fun. So that's where we came from. And then it said no outlet on the road that we turned down. So I was like, you know what? Let's see where she goes. So that's where she goed. Where this video started is where that road ended. Share the road, share the road. Everybody share the road. Ooh, mud. Icky. There you go. Get her did. Anyway, so I guess the title of this video is like co-parenting or something. I don't know. I haven't made the video yet. Oh wow, look at that one. There's some really nice houses along this stretch. That one? Let's see if we can see it. Yep. Co-parenting. Yeah, we have 2 kids. 7 and 9. 2 boys. And we have been split up for 8 years now, but for some reason just can't get away from her. Might be the kids, I don't know. I have, let's see, we've got about 3 hours to get home. So plenty of time to explore. And yes, my wife does ride with me. She sits on the back. I'd really like to get her on her own bike, but she is scared to death. So she just rides on the back for now, and I will have her mic'd up at some point. She does want to participate. That's a nice Jeep. So I'll get a camera and a mic going on her helmet sometime. And then, oh wow, holy stuff. Look at that, that's insane. Ooh, I'm blinded by the light. No, I could see some do. Creek, oh that's pretty. It's supposed to be like 60 something today, squirrel. But man, it's a little chilly right now. There's the river. Where are we? Taylorsport Road? I don't know. I have no idea where we are. I've lived here my whole life, and I don't explore enough. So that's part of the point of this channel, is it will drive me to explore and go into the unknown, which is what I'm doing today, because I don't know where I am. But that's okay, because I really don't care. Don't hit your brakes. She was having a problem earlier where she would hit her brakes going down the wet hill, and she did a little sliding, and I said, maybe don't. Just give her a downshift. Let the engine do the work. So she seems to be doing a little better there. I let her lead the way because I don't want to lose her. I like to go fast, and well, she's still learning, so take it easy. Ooh! Good job. Oh, good. I was afraid she was gonna like panic about that. That squirrel ran like in between her tires and then back through the bike. Oh, I hope that shows up good on video, but hey, good job you for not panicking and laying that thing down. Good job. If a critter runs at you, you just gotta keep on going. You cannot panic. That water looks so calm. Like glass almost. Perfect for skiing. I love water skiing. I just haven't done it in a long time. There's an aeroplane flying really low. Oh yeah, I live also like 3 minutes away from the international airport, the Cincinnati International Airport, CVG, which happens to be in Kentucky, not Ohio, where Cincinnati is. I digress. I was really hoping for a prettier day. But this just kind of like, it sets a mood, you know? It's a whole vibe. It's a whole mood, as Rev Sanity likes to say. It's a whole vibe. The vibin', bruh. That's a random large house in the middle of not large houses. Good location, though. Looking at the factories. Yeah, that hill, I think somebody actually just like died on that turn on a bike. So, yeah, because there's like a gravel plant or something. If it's not that one, there's a very similar turn in Petersburg. I think it might have been Petersburg that happened in. Or maybe I'm in Petersburg and I just don't know it. But none of the signs say Petersburg. What are you doing? What are you doing? Man, clean this freaking road. Give her a good sweeping. They should hire somebody to just run a sweeper truck. Give them like $10 an hour and just run a sweeper truck up and down this road. Especially with summer coming. There'll be a lot of bikes on this road. Y'all are just gonna leave it like that? Come on. Yeah, there's a little gravel plant or something. So today's not like a go fast ride. Today's just a nice leisurely stroll through the foggy depths of the valley, I guess. Anderson Ferry. Ooh, I do know Anderson Ferry. We'll take a ride on that one day. There's a couple of different ferries that I wanna do. There's one up by Rabbit Hash, which I don't know. I haven't taken the bike on any ferries. Maybe a long time ago. I don't know. Like, not this bike. A bike from years past. Rough road, next 3 miles. Wonderful. Maybe I'll find a jump, catch some sweet air. Again, you know, not jealous of people who live places that just have straight roads. This is fun. Even if we're not going terribly fast, sometimes it's just nice to enjoy the ride. Oh, I haven't even... So she is on a 2015 Honda CBR 300. It used to be, I think, like orange and black. Now it's purple. It's a funky little purple color. What was it? It's 10 after 1. The sun was supposed to come out at 1, so... Sun God, bless me with your warmth. Or Teletubbies, baby, come smile down upon me. Nope, okay. Ooh, that's a neat little pavilion. You could do some cool stuff with that. Idea flow on max right now. I'm gonna buy that pavilion and do stuff with it. Bromley. Oh, I know Bromley. The Ludlow Bromley Yacht Club is probably here. I don't know. What's that? Hammond Cycle. Next on left. Oh. Motorcycle shop. Just keep going straight, yo. Ooh, is that a shark? It's a real shark. Look, it's real AF. What is this? Is this the yacht club? Looks like a yachts to me. Yep. Ludlow Bromley Yacht Club. The Yacht Club. And what's this? The Lagoon Saloon. This looks like a fun little town. I should come up here and cause some ruckus. Look at that giant carport they have for their RV. Imagine having to spend like $100 grand on an RV and then it's like, oh, I can't fit it anywhere. Let's spend another 30 grand on a carport for it. Must be nice, huh? That's the skate park. I actually got a trespassing ticket at this skate park. Can you guess what I was doing there? What are you doing? Ah, damn it. Shit. Can you guess what I was doing at that skate park to get a trespassing ticket? I was skateboarding. Can you believe it? They said, oh, dude, you can't be here. I'm like, oh, it's a skate park. Why can't I be here? And they were like, it's almost dark. And I said, there ain't no signs that say I can't be here at almost dark. Dill holes. So, needless to say, when I went to court for that one, the judge said, in his exact words, this is the stupidest thing I have ever seen. Get out of here. Case dismissed. Dunzo. He didn't actually say Dunzo, but I would have high-fived him if he did. So I guess... Uh-oh. Are we struggling? Pull up. Just come up here. Okay, go ahead. Huh. What was that all about? Ooh, there's another Indian. Howdy. That's a nice one. I like that color. We're gonna do some tunnel rips is what we're gonna do. Ooh, ooh, I like the go across this bridge. That's a cool looking bridge. Anyway, are you ready? Are you ready? I bet nobody's ever done that before. Kidding. Ooh, this looks like a fun little place for pictures, but I'm not stopping under a bridge. There's Cincinnati, all fogged up, if you will. Get fogged up, get fogged up, get fogged up, get fogged up. I'm pretty sure it's a song, right? I don't listen to rap. I do knew. There she is, in all her glory, the Queen City. Here, come on, come on. All right, guys, I'm going to end this video and pack it up and just continue riding without like talking and stuff. But thank you for tuning in. I'm going to pull in here to one of my favorite places ever, a liquor store. All right, I love all of you, for real. Thanks for joining me today. If you're still here, actually, let's do a little fun little thing. If you're still here, let me know, and then I will give you stuff. Just kidding. Anyway, thanks for coming by. I am signing off now. Love you.